welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Maxine, who's talking about a situation that's going on right now with Marcia, the pastor. And now someone else has joined, Erica. Now, Erica, the landlord, she had a live and she was speaking about the situation. She was saying that she believed what Marcia said about the pastor because Marcia mentioned one person, Ricky, who the pastor loved. And that confirmed to her that the pastor spoke to Marcia about her. So now it's a circle because this pastor is in the middle of everything. Now, how would you feel knowing that you trust a pastor and a pastor turn around and do that to you? Now, let's see how the outcome is going to be with both sides, Marcia and Erica, because now Erica is calling the pastor baga baga. She said she does not want to be involved in any situation with anybody that's baga baga. And she's saying she wants her charity to be peaceful. She doesn't want any baga baga in that charity. And she is calling on someone else to rectify the situation. So go ahead and catch the video while Maxine sits and she reminisces about, the same problem that she compares her problem to that of what is going on now on social media with Marcia and Erica. She's saying money is the root of all evil and that people will do things for money. So go ahead and catch the video and like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a wonderful day.
Yes, of course. Marcia not lying.
And this man, what this man have me name, I draw me name about. Listen for yourself, listen. Company life, listen. Company life. And me I tell you, tell Marcia something true. You know why me know I tell Marcia? So him tell me say like Ricky. And he say want to put something towards to forget Ricky get her shoes. Me say, for Ricky want get one sneakers, buy him and sleep, them all take care of my foot. So me all make you up and buy slippers to everybody. And he say, alright, because he tell Marcia so. He's how kind of man this man?
He's a bitch. He's a bitch.
And we tell him so. And me not tell you when we call this, we tell him so. He tell him so.
Mighty God, oh my God. This brings tears to my eyes. This brings tears to my eyes. Tears. Tears.
We are peaceful and peaceful. But we want the charity to become peaceful star. We don't want you to get it for Baka with pastor. Where Baka before? Right now, you be next week. Remember me and tell them, we don't want Baka.
Oh my God. Over money. People over money. Me no know how Marcia now still ball. Me no know how Marcia now still ball. But me the ball. Me a ball because it hurt like hell and it bring me right back to it when me send me things them go get done and me money and everything. I am going right back down to that road. But you see God not sleep. God not sleep, Laugh at me, God not sleep. Me can't talk to you, laugh at me without them calling me name. Listen to me, God is not sleeping. Money make the mayor run. Money is the root of all evil. Money is the root of all evil. When I look and see the same Erica there, I gave her my $100 out of a good faith. Good faith. And the way all the woman come cost me the morning. I could have, I reached as far as I could have reported her. I could have do a lot of things to her because number one, she have an illegal cash up and sell running. She don't live in America. She has an illegal cash up running, but I did not want to take food from those poor people's mouth. That's why I didn't continue with certain things. Oh, trust and believe. I report each and every one of them. Each and every one of them, because I can report them because they have my money. They have my goods. They have my service. They have my money. So I can report them. I can file against each and every one of them who collect money from me on the false pretense. I can do it. But because I don't have the heart to do it, they're evil. They're evil. Believe me when I tell you, I can prosecute each and every one of them that takes my money, takes my goods and my service, and turn around, do what they did to me. I can prosecute each and every one of them. This is not a social media thing. This is not a big up chest thing. No, I can. Donna, Lorian, Ashanti, Landlawd, all of you who call it my money under false pretense, under the name of thieving, scamming, trust and believe I can do it. Trust and believe, but my heart will not give me, because if I take Donna down, I will take in her kids down, all of the people them who call it my money, including Paula and every one of them. Trust and believe that we're wicked. We're wicked, and may God make our life as miserable as it is right now. As miserable as it is right now. And every one of you who they come under me posts and they chat on foolishness and stuff like that, may God be with you. May God be with you. You have people under me post. The post gone from like 15, 18, 20 weeks. And you have somebody up to this morning, come on, dear. Why would I want mental illnesses for everybody? I'm dancing, I'm having fun in my little thing, and you're gonna come on there and talk about mental illness. Me not gonna no highlight. Me not gonna no highlight. No highlight. Me not gonna. Money is the root of all evil. Evil. Evil in our life. Vex with our own life. That we don't have to make the people life tormented. Talk your talk.
Baga, baga.
Talk your
Dema
talk.
baga, baga. Dema baga, baga.
Because of money.
Once, if everything what Marcia says is not true, once Marcia say Ricky me believe, her pastor say like Ricky.
The whole thing is true.
Baga, baga.
The whole thing is true.
I mean, I put me mouth up from and talk. Him chat for true. Him chat for true. Where I work with me name and Lord, Father, you come fire for you.
Yes.
Peaceful people, peaceful. People so peaceful. You go baga and say you're a man of God.
Of course, Simone. Of course, Simone. Make me say, I'll make head to grow. I'll make head to grow right now.
The homeless man name, the mental man name, the tower over there. The rest of platform, they contract away. Baga pastor.
That's what happens when you're licky. That is what happens when you're licky and love people money. Thief no like see thief carry long bag. Thief no like to see thief carry long bag. Oh yes, Blake. I am leaving all vengeance to God. I am leaving all vengeance to God because I know how to pray. I do know how to pray. Good morning, Barbie. So you wake up early after all that party last night. You wake up so early, girl. Go on back in your bed. I am leaving all vengeance to God. I am leaving all vengeance to God because these people are wicked. But then come out and answer me. Answer me claims then cause me a tell lie. Marcia wasn't telling no lie from day one. From 99 go straight down. She weren't telling no lie. I'm not taking up for Marcia because Marcia not take up for nobody. Me not taking up for Marcia because Marcia not taking up for neither me nor my picnic them are nothing. I am just splitting justice and talk. So me no want nobody come tell me say, oh look how Maxine they fight for Marcia and Marcia. No, I'm not fighting for Marcia. Right is right and wrong is wrong. If you no come out and no beat Ashanti same way, Even with all that Ashanti done to me, and if you know they beat him the wrong way, I am going to step out and say something about it because that's who I am. That is who I am. You understand? Marcia, let me tell you now loud and plain, I am not taking up for Marcia, so all I know the things that me turn bandwagonists and stuff like that. No, I'm not turning no bandwagonists for nobody. Because Marcia don't talk up for me, and don't talk up for me picking them, nor nothing. You understand? But when you see wrong, you have to talk about it. And this is why them say, what goes around always come back around. You cannot hate somebody so much that you cannot say good about them. You understand? So I don't want nobody come over here and tell me, say, me I take up, even Erica. I don't like Erica because Erica is lie. That's all I know about Erica. Erica lie. And all that Erica talk about me and my family, Erica knows they are lying to tell. But because of money, you will do anything. This is where it comes back down to. See there? The pastor man set up the whole of because of money. Set up. Now you go say Marcia and tell no lie. She weren't telling no lie from day one. When I came out here and I defended Marcia and Tina Chin, I merely say, listen, I understand why Marcia and Tina Chin have to be behaving like that. That was way before it get this nasty. I understand why they behave like that. Because of what was done to me. What was done to me, all the lies and everything that was done to me. So I understand why they are behaving the way they're behaving, because people sit down and tell lie and not justifying their wrong and bad behavior. Their wrong and bad behavior. And when I look and see what is happening, look at how Miss Lothian sit down. I can't call Miss Lothian name because she called for my name, she called me phone, she begged me for Chris and all of that, so I can't call her name. Miss Lothian was simply telling Donna, you are the stagnant one in the middle. You are the stagnant one because everybody's feeding from around you. Everybody around you are feeding from you, feeding off of you and everything. You are the stagnant one. Don't call people stagnant. Take myself for example. For everything that I've given to that woman and everything, isn't she the stagnant one? Where it comes, where me the stagnant one? You feed from me. You feed from me, so you are the stagnant one. You take my money, you take my goods, and you take my service. So you are the stagnant one. So when you hear people talking and telling you to shut your mouth, attend to Arena one this morning. Yes, it is. So no, but text me. Me don't want nobody text me. Apart from me know who me want to text me, I don't want nobody text me because me just a chat and they get things off of my mind. You understand? No, if I no come on social media, no fly up under my page, or no fly up in my inbox and stuff like that. I never ask no for no favor. No, I don't. I come out here and I beg $1 and $2. If you have it, you put it. You don't have it, you shut your mouth. But you cannot give somebody something and when you're done, you do like you want to hold it over them head. No, I've never done that. Most of who come out here and chat say me do this and me give this and me do that, I them chat. So me if you come carry can them I tell lie. Go ahead and talk. Hold on right there, so Simone, I can't understand what you said. You said Erica is not okay for Erica, it's not okay for pastor to call your name. Right. You're telling us that you're cussing Erica. You're saying Erica, it's not okay for pastor to call your name, but it's okay to call Marcia name. Piece of okay, I understand what you're saying now because when I read it the first time, I already to cuss you. I already to cuss because I think you were talking about me, but you're stating it how you feel. You understand? I understand what you're saying now. Erica, it's not okay. It's like I'm playing the tape and you're talking to Erica. Erica, it's not okay for pastor to call your name, but it's okay for the pastor to call Marcia name. And you're cussing her and telling her stinking shit you are. Yes. Yes. No, I understand what you're saying. I did not understand it when I just read it. I have to read it over and over. Me tell us my head kind of crazy, but it will come back down to it. Okay, that's true, Simone. That's very much true.
When Marcia $1,400 that.
It doesn't matter.
Expose me for what? Expose me for what? Jesus Christ Almighty. Pastor is a blood clot mix up. You know how long me not cause nobody out like when the bomber clot this man have me name a drug ball.
Wow.
This is out of order.
Wow, it is out of order. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
I get a bag of twin pussy bomber clot
Yes.
pastor this.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Eh? Then a bag of twin pussy pastor this.
I know me wake up.
So the whole social media, I got drug me name.
Yep.
And Dr. Love, you know about it.
They should though. They
You
should.
know about it, bomber clot to you know that.
You love money too much.
Right now, me eye full of water. I'm tired
You
of
have to
blood
be
clot
crying.
just in me.
You have to be
But me,
crying.
I tell you, I hate the whole blood clot.
You have to be crying, Erica. Erica, you have to be crying right now. I am crying for you and I am crying for Marcia. Yes, you have to be crying right now. This is not nice. This is not nice because of money. Because of money. I will not sit down, I will not drag people. I will not drag people name here, there, and everywhere.